Hey guys, welcome back to Cloud Thinking. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification icon so that you get notified anytime I release new videos. If you have already subscribed, well, thank you for the support. So today's video is going to be another tutorial video on Microsoft Office. We're going to focus on working with text. We're going to use the font dialog box to format text, and then I'm going to show you how to actually align text. Okay, so as you can see, I have a Word document up. Let's go ahead and cover a couple of the basics before we get started. So, formatting text on the Home tab, there's a couple buttons that you need to be familiar with. There is the button to bold text. There is the italic button, the underline button. Right here you have text effects. Right here, of course, you can adjust your font size. And this is going to let you change your font style. So I definitely suggest if you're practicing, then go ahead and, try out some of these. Go ahead and change your font style. Don't be afraid to type something in. Again, you highlight it. You go through and you can change it. And of course, you have your text color right here. Some of the other features, you have highlight. You can increase font size. You can decrease font size. Okay, so using the font dialog box to format text. The font dialog box offers some advanced formatting options that are actually not available on the Home tab. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the text that you want to format, and you're going to click the dialog box launcher in the font group, and your font dialog box opens. In the font dialog box, you're going to select the formatting option that you would like to adjust, such as agency FB, italic. It just has more options that are actually on the Home tab. And here, of course, you got font color here as well. Now you can do different effects: strike through, superscript, subscript, small caps, all caps, hidden. For this test, let's change the font color to yellow. We're going to do small caps. Then you're going to hit OK to apply it. And you can barely see that, but if we go up here and adjust the size, then you can see that it actually changed. Okay, so moving to the next, we're going to show you how to align text. And for text alignment, we're going to focus actually on these 4 items in the Home tab. They all align text in a different way. So again, you're going to select the text that you want. And you can click the align left, which is right here. It is already aligned to the left side of the page. You can do align center, and it'll go to the center. And you can do align right, and it will go to the right side of the page. And this is the justify. So you click that, and it will bring it back to the left side to justify your text. When you justify text, it's stretched and compressed to align with both the left and the right, is all that actually means. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if so. I know this is a short video. I'm actually trying to break these topics down to make sure that I don't cover too much at once and overwhelm anyone. Alright, so again, have a good night. I'll talk to you later.